I'm gone for a whole week and the market just takes a dump. What the hell happened, guys? What the hell happened? Hey guys, RPM here. Hope you're doing well, having a really great day. I have missed all of you guys. It's been a whole week not creating any content on anything crypto mining. I've just been relaxing and just recovering from my sickness that I've had, whether I think it's the flu or COVID, something like that. I am feeling much better now and I am ready to get back into it. Start making content, start making videos, still, you know, continuing on the projects that I want to do. I miss all of you. I want to give you guys, I don't know, just an update in this video of some things to come. And actually I got a massive giveaway announcement that I want to make in this video, and I'll let you guys know how it's gonna go. So before I do all that, talk with you guys, thank you for today's video sponsor. Are you looking for the newest, most profitable ASIC miners today? Look no further than CryptoMinerBros.com, where they carry the top brands such as Bitmain, Goldshell, IBLink, and more. Their prices seen on their website include fast shipping service using DHL and duties and taxes. Payment options include direct wire transfer and crypto payments as well. They have multiple support methods for any questions or concerns. Use coupon code RedPanda for $50 off per ASIC miner ordered. Thank you CryptoMinerBros.com for sponsoring this video and celebrating our 3rd year of partnership. Link down below. Okay, I'm gonna see if this Octominer will work now with this USB to Ethernet adapter. So I'm gonna plug this into here, then this Ethernet goes into here. I bought this off Amazon, so okay. Yeah, thanks to the Mining King for giving me this idea to see if this motherboard will, I don't know, somehow work. Okay, so let's see if this turns on now. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, quick update for all of you. So I got 10 R8s here. Some are mining Lithium, but I've actually moved over a lot of them to mining Cacao. So you can see I am actually drawing a bit more power consumption on each of these 30 amp circuits. With this one I have 3 rigs on Cacao. So 4,000 watts for 24, 30, 70s. It's pretty good. Will this come up just by placing that USB to Ethernet adapter? Let me see if it's lit up here. Yeah, we got light connectivity here. It's plugged in into the motherboard. No, has not initialized yet. Maybe it's installing the Ethernet driver. I'll give it a bit more here. Okay, just let me refresh here. And let's see, nope, not coming up. It's not coming up. So I think it's more than the, I think it's the motherboard. We're gonna have to troubleshoot it again. You know, I'm gonna take this out, put it on my test bench, and we're gonna open it up. That'll be for another video. Just wanted to give you guys an update. Maybe there's something else to it. You guys can give your thoughts down below. Okay, so we got some big boy Bitmain ASIC miners that were just shipped to me during when I was sick over the past week. And so I got a S19K Pro 120 terahash model. I have a S21 195 terahash model. So we'll see how that goes. And then we have an Antminer K7. This is a 63.5 terahash model, and looks like DHL opened this package, and when I was moving this K7 around in the box, I could hear metal clinking. So something tells me they either dropped it, opened it, I don't know, broke it, I don't know. We're gonna see in another video as well. But this S21 that I got here, I am gonna be giving this away on the Bitcoin halving day. So I'm going to have a Gleam link down below. I'll just show on the screen here. And you just got to get your entries in, and that's it. It's a free giveaway to participate, and I'm gonna give this away on Bitcoin halving day, which is in about a month or so. But I'll have videos about this. I'm gonna unbox it, test it, and let it run, make sure it works, obviously, and give that away during the Bitcoin halving day. So that's gonna be a lot of fun. And I also have an S19K Pro here. I'm gonna be trying a bunch of different firmwares on this. The big one I wanna try is Brains, and just to see what kind of efficiency we're gonna achieve, and maybe some other firmwares that are out there right now available. So stay tuned. A lot of ASICs here. Thank you to Crypto Miner Bros for all of these ASICs here, and also this S21 that we are giving away. Can't wait. Hope you guys are excited. Gleam link is down below. It's going to be all the way up until roughly around till the halving. Okay, and then I got another giveaway announcement. We got another, of course, KS0 Pro to give away. Thank you to Mr. BP. Very generous, very selfless gentleman. Has nothing to sell you, has nothing for you to buy. He just wanted to give these away to the community. Already gave away a few in the past couple of weeks. Sorry I haven't shipped them out yet. I've been sick over the past week, but I'll get that soon. So for this Sunday, okay, coming up in about 7 days as this video is uploaded. Okay, so to participate in this giveaway for this KS0 Pro, we're gonna be doing a typical one where we subscribe to a YouTuber. So last week we did Overboard Tech. Okay, Mr. Overboard Tech was the one that we did last week. Now, the next gentleman that we are going to have is going to be Geek of All Trades. This guy right here. So I will have a video of Mr. Geek of All Trades. You guys have to comment on his video down below. I'll have it in the description, and it'll be on for the whole week, and I will do random comment picker generator on Sunday. I'll be doing that live on a live stream to choose the winner for the KS0 Pro on Geek of All Trades video. Okay, so that'll be for Sunday. All right, guys, so get your comments in on his video, and make sure you subscribe to Mr. Geek of All Trades as well in order to win a KS0 Pro. And also, the winner will also receive a Veteran Miner new barrel plug 6-pin to metal barrel plug connector. Okay, I'm actually running a few of these right now on my KS0 Pros, and they are working just great. Just perfect on a HP server PSU breakout board, just like that. I'm running 4 KS0 Pros right now, stock. Not running them overclocked. I don't know if I recommend doing an overclocked with one of these barrel plugs, but that'll be at your own risk if you are wanting to do that, okay? So, good luck to the people on Sunday. Make sure you subscribe to Mr. Geek of All Trades and comment on his video. Make sure to comment about anything positive about crypto mining and which country you are from. Okay, guys, so, nope, this one didn't come back up. So I'm just gonna turn this off. I will come back to this. So I want to give you guys an update of this whole setup here. It's been awesome. It's been working perfectly, and the temperatures generally around this area have been pretty good, okay? And so what's been happening here is I rose the power up on all of my rigs for Kapow because I wanted to hit that. You guys know I need to hit at least 35 kilowatt hours, and so in order to get a lower electrical rate. So I've been close to hitting it pretty much. Once I set up a few A6, K7, S21, I should then be able to really hit that level of power especially I guess once I hit on the other side here, the ASIC side, which has been running great. And this is the power usage I'm using right now. So I'm not maxed out on these three, okay, but I may have to turn off one or two of these ASICs. And actually, two of them are not mine anymore because I did trade them for all the GPUs, which I'll update you guys on in a second. The KS1, KS2, I'm gonna have to turn these off and ship them to the gentleman that I traded for. Okay, so the K7 will go here, S19K, S21. Be here until I give that away, and also I think I'm gonna ship out the S19K for hosting. So that'll be down the road. So now, quick update on the GPUs, guys. So most of you guys know I do need four more Octa miners to set up these 32 3070s, okay, and then they're gonna go below the shelf over here, okay, at the bottom, okay, and so I'll have 32 more 3070s at the bottom here. So I have decided not to purchase any more R8s, but just to go with the Octaminer Ultras that I already have, the first gen Octaminer Ultras, and I think I do have issues with some of them, but we'll come back to that. I'm gonna have to go there, grab them, and make sure they work. And then actually I do have more 3070s that I want to set up under that rack as well. And it's gonna be 8 of these Asus, I forgot what they're called, Asus Turbos, I believe. These are the blower style ones. So I have 8 here, so I do wanna get another Octaminer. I should have another X8 Ultra to fit 8 of those in as well, and then plop it under the rack. And then I do have 6 more 3070s here. And then I don't have 2 more to make it 8, so I may purchase 2 more 3070s just to fill out this rig, you know, to make a whole X8 Ultra. So I think in total I'll have 2 here for another 2 more X8 Ultras, and then 4 over on the other side. So that will be 48 more GPUs I'm gonna add onto the rack, which is gonna be down at the bottom here, okay? So then I will be done. This whole GPU rack will be done. Then I should really then be okay. I do have enough extra capacity on a few of the PDUs. Maybe not this one. Yeah, maybe, you know, 1 more on this one. I can fit 3 more on this one, 2 more on this one. This one's mining Kapow, or some of them is. This one is a little bit of a lithium, a little bit of Kapow. So I can put 2 more rigs on this one as well. So yeah, I should be good to add 6 more rigs onto these 30 amp circuits. Let me know what you guys think about that. That's my plan over the next week here, and yeah, lots of fun stuff to set up, make videos on, and yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update there. Yeah, I've just been recovering over the past week. I've been just getting my voice back and the sickness, and I still feel a little bit congested. You guys can probably hear it in my voice, but yeah, thank you all for the support. I'm sorry that I've been gone for a week, but I'm glad to be back now, and I will see you all in the next video. Okay, I'll be trying to do some live streams as well, and just get back up to speed, and just get back up to supporting the community here, and just getting back into it, guys. I miss all of you. I miss the whole community, and I'm here to continue on. I saw some comments like when I left during the week, it's like, Red Panda, are you leaving YouTube? No, I'm not. I'm just sick, okay? I was just sick. Yeah, we'll see how the market goes. I think it's just a correction here, but who knows? We'll see how it goes, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a good one. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out.